Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the best way to have Microsoft Word read out PDF documents for you. So over here I have a textbook in PDF. If I open it, so this is just a free textbook. Now if you want Microsoft Word to read out the document for you, first you want to convert the document to Word. So there's this website that can convert PDF documents to Word. I'll put the link in the description. So you can select the PDF document from here, or you can just drag and drop. Here's my document, so I'm gonna drag it, drop it, and then you can click convert to Word. This will take a second. Now I'm not affiliated with this website, it's just a free tool that you can use online. So once it's done, click on download Word. So this will download the Word version of your PDF document. Now you can make MS Word read out the document for you. So here I click somewhere and then just click Review tab and then click Read Aloud.
The Verdana, copyright 2006 Microsoft Corporation, and Courier New, copyright 2006 the Monotype Corporation, fonts have been used throughout this book, which is permitted by their licenses.
And just like that, you can make MS Word read out PDF documents for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.